Thokozani, this is Kakatablamanzi in Tebula. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, today I want to talk about Amabhayi or Amahia or ancestral clothes. I know you all have questions. Okay, Coco, I am dreaming of Amabhayi or ancestral clothes. What am I supposed to do? What does it mean? Ngindanjani? You understand? So what I can advise you about the situation lena ukuthi if une-calling eniyada ukuthi umntwana wemadloti, that means gogo omkhulu, you need to go buy those clothes. Kude indlela complicated lapho, kude indlela ngiyofana uyimixe. You just need to go buy those clothes. You need to go buy lamabhayi lawo. And if uhlala Pretoria or Tembisa, wherever in Tembisa, wherever in Pretoria, you can go to Marabastad. In Marabastad ashipile, guys, and I know ukuthi la bahlala eJoburg bona ba more fortunate because ashipile Marabastad. So ungahamba uyowathenga lapho and ubuye nawubuya, you don't wear them, guys. Uyawaphahlela uyabatshela ukuthi bomkhulu, or if uphethe bogogo nawa ma-hair in, ngifuna konigcokisa nijabule, ngivuleleni nami tindo tami njengoba nami nginithengelile. Akwanze la ngithathe khona, akwanze la ningiphe khona bogogo or bomkhulu. Yani like you have to know ukuthi uphethwe ngibobani. Now nanemadloti, you need to know ukuthi uphethe ngibobani, sada uphethe ngogogo or uphethe ngmakhehla. So kufana nami, mina ngimntwana emakhehla mina. Ngimntwana emakhehla, guys. So buy them ubuye waphahlele and then follow your dreams. Follow your dreams. Why do I say so? If emaphupheni ubonile ukuthi nabakhomba whichever ancestral cloth or lihiya, bakutshela ukuthi okay, bakhomba whatever bakhombena ukuthi maybe bakugcokisa or utiputsa uligcokile or whatever message, cause yakho nabo ngani, but bakutshela ukuthi ngalelihiya leli uyena 1 2 3 4 5. So now ulithengile, hamba ubuye uliphahlele and then do what they have told you to do, guys. And leto asetindoda ukuthi nangokuthi i-message yakhona it was very clear, and then wena soyaqala ngathi soyadideka. Ungadididi, do into lebakutshele yona, do into lebakutshele yona, and itokusita, cause nase bak-instructile or whatever, it's easy for you to do what, like uyene tindo tabo. You don't need to go consult, you don't need to angati man, guys, you don't need to do complicated things. Do what they have told you to do, yangithola. So ingafana yet ukuthi vele nangokuthi uthenga emahiya abogogo, guys, you need to come back or waphahlele ubitele tidalwa takini, ubite ngulungulu, you pray. I-prayer awuyiloni, guys, awuyijumpi, into le yesiphila ngayo each and every day. As long umntana nkulunkulu, you'll understand ukuthi praying and phahla, it's the same thing. So that's what you need to do if uputsa amabhayi. That's why bengitshela ukuthi, guys, listen to your ancestors. Ungadidwa muntu ngaphandle, ungadidwa ngini. Listen to your ancestors. Bathini nabakhomba lamahiya, if maybe abekho clear, waphahlele, and then you wait for an answer. Kuthi kugogo nginithengele nawa, jabulani ngikhanyiseleni, bese niyangitshela ukuthi sengiyenda njani njengoba senginithengele, sengiyenda njani. Bese nawe you be patient, uyema umele i-answer ukuthi okay fine mntwanethu, njengoba usithengele sijabulile 1 2 3 4 5, yenda so, or maybe kusasemnyama, maybe uvalela tindo takho, tilwane, whatever, botokoloshi lebahluphana nabo ebusuku nemini, whatever situation it may be. Maybe lesinyama sakho angadi, guys. Hamba uyoconsulta, ne? Hamba uyoconsulta, but into le nginga-advise yona ukuthi ungafiki lapha wabatshela ukuthi athi ngithenga Amabhayi namconfuse ukuthi fanele ngiyenteni ngawo nananana. Wena sokuphahlile ekuseni ubatshela ukuthi bogogo nabomkhulu njengoba sengimthengele kuyendakalani nanani, maybe kuyahlala 2 months dololo, 3 months dololo, uyabona ukuthi nawe sekuyakuhlupha ke inyanga, then go and consult. Nawufika lapha you shut your mouth up, umela loyo muntu ukuthi nabavela labogogo nabomkhulu batosho ukuthi bafuna ini, batosho. Then after, maybe they didn't mention anything about lama hair akho, lama Amabhayi lobathengele, then that's when you need to say ukuthi gogo omkhulu lo hlola kuyo ukuthi okay gogo omkhulu ngithenge 1 2 3 4 5 and I don't know how to go about it, so ngiyenda njani, can you help me out? Bomkhulu bathini, ngicela ubabuze ukuthi njengoba simo seso ngiyenda njani. Mara wena ungafiki lapha sengu hey ngithenge amahiya, ngithenge ini akuvuleki ngibathe no, wait. I think you need to relax, you need to chill, you need to be patient. Ngiyo into leto kuyisekugcini leyo. So guys, nawuphuza amahiya and you are dreaming of ancestral clothes, that means ukuthi vele you have a calling, but my calling ayadifara. So I'm gonna talk about that on my next video. Angathi iyoba yanini, but thank you for watching. This is Gogo Tablamanzi insizwa kamathebula. Guys, ngicela subscribe yeni. Wamukele ngicela subscribe. Guys, ngicela subscribe yeni. Feel free, man, free, like feel free. Check my Instagram page and my WhatsApp number ikhona. If ushusha something, talk to me, let's help each other. Talk to me, guys. Now guy asikhulumini man, guys. I think feel free, mine angikho uptight and yes nafika toketinto temadloti like ngiyahlupha, but ngi-free, so no, be free, ngitshela ukuthi kuyenakalani empilweni yakho, ngikusita njani, what's happening, guys. And then let me know which video do you want me to do next. Okay, ngiyendivela ukuthi nikhuluma ngani ngenzunza. Ngivela ukuthi nikhuluma ngenzunza, nifuna wathi ukuthi gogo kanti kuyendakalani, hey yasihlupha lento. Okay guys, it's a big learner. Okay, fine. I have a lot of things to say about it, but now I'm looking cause I've seen everything that I share, and then maybe if ufuna ngenela like deep, maybe like you can come and consult. Uhlale nami sikhulume. Or maybe unga-consult net kuthi siyahlala siyacoca mina nawe sathi ukuthi kahle kahle khambani ini bese siyabona ukuthi kahle kahle sitana njani, because yathini lento leyo hey guys iyahlupha. Iyahlupha, and it's beautiful and it's cruel and it's a blessing, guys. It's a blessing. So yathini ngitenda angakhohlwa like nginivile abantu abaningi inzunza iyanhlupha, and then ngiyakuthi inzunza yeni i-connected nemdawo lokho ngithu. Guys, let me ngayini ukuthi belong. Thokozani, this is Gogo Tablamanzi insizwa kamathebula. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe. Thokozani guys, I love you, take care.